In this particular video, I'm going to talk about 1 or 2 side hustles that are going to give you some amount of money for yourself. And this is actually going to be free. It means that you need no amount of money to start, or even in the process. You need not to spend even a dime or even a dollar or even a cent to start with this. I've seen a couple of people engage themselves into these online hustles, and they are doing amazing work. I mean, they are doing good things for themselves. I know a couple of friends that are engaged in these side hustles. And so in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can gain some amount of money as a side hustle from 1 or 2 online platforms. For side hustles, I mean, they are basically fantastic ways for you to explore your passions and then generate some amount of money for yourself. For some people, it's even a transition into a new career for them. And so it's amazing work. But without spending much of your time, I'll move on straight into number 1 side hustle, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basically about you selling products of companies or entities, or maybe a product that belongs to somebody, and then in the process you generate some returns for yourself. What that means that you would have to sell product that belongs to a different person, and you earn some commissions for selling the product. But you don't have a particular product that belongs to you. You are not a manufacturer, you are not a producer. All that you have is either your phone and let me say your internet connection. What you are going to do is that you are going to pick product of other people, products that have already been manufactured by people, and then you are going to sell this product. Then they give you some percentage on the amount of goods or product that you sell for them. I mean, the product may be digital product, and then a bit of physical product, but more often, most affiliate programs are into the digital era, and then some it may be in the form of courses. It's basically about you trying to get a product to the end user, or basically trying to get a product to the consumer, and then through you. So it's a kind of a three-tier thing. There is a company, or there's an entity, or a producer, and you become the middleman, and you are going to help to supply this product manufactured by the company to the people who need those products or services for their consumption. Then when you're able to do something like that, you call it affiliate market, and through the process you can make some amount of money for yourself as a side hustle. And trust me, you can do this just with your smartphone, just with a laptop. I mean, all that you need is an internet connection and the best platform that you can be doing this affiliate marketing job. One of the major platforms to engage into affiliate marketing is Amazon. If you know about Amazon is one of the biggest platforms. I mean, one of the biggest shopping platforms where people go there to buy products of their choice, and these products are being delivered into their house. So what that means that you can be any part of the world, then through the Amazon website, you can be able to shop for yourself. You can get any product that you want to get for yourself. And then one interesting aspect of the Amazon platform is that you can have the chance to work with Amazon as an affiliate, because Amazon actually gives chance to become Amazon associates. People will publish, or people will post, or people will have their products on Amazon, and you come in as a middle person to sell those products, and you're being given a commission without even having to move out of your room. You can do this in your office, your room. If you're a student, you can do something like this. I mean, if you're a worker, all that you need is your phone and a good internet connection. And the bigger question mark to be answered is that how do I sell this product? Through blogs, you can have a YouTube channel, through website groups, through Facebook groups, through TikTok. You can sell people's products without necessarily having to have your own product, or not necessarily even moving out of where you are. You can be in the comfort of your home and be making millions of dollars with just your phone. That is basically about affiliate marketing. And personally, I know a couple of friends that are engaged in affiliate marketing programs. In my subsequent videos, I'll be taking some of them to speak about the affiliate marketing journey and how they are making some amount of dollars or some dollars for themselves, even as students. I know a couple of students, I mean, they're in the universities, and yes, they're doing good for themselves. It might not necessarily be Amazon. Some platforms, they're going to give you a unique link. When people click on your link to come to the platform to shop, the products are being delivered to them, then you stand a chance to earn a commission. And for some platforms as well, if people are able to click through your link to get to the website, any additional product that they buy for themselves on the platform, the commission will be given. Had it not been for you, somebody wouldn't have get to know maybe the platform or even additional products on the website. The next way you can make some amount of dollars for yourself is to engage yourself into content creating. And if you know, the content creating industry is on the rise. Currently, people spend more time on their phone than on other things. And if you know, you're in a digital age now, we are in an information age now. The world is now a global village. People are searching for information all over the world. And because of that, people spend a lot of time on their phone trying to know what is actually trending, trying to know solutions to 1 or 2 problems that they may have. And this is so significant. And so one way that you can take advantage of this is to become a content creator. And the content creation can be in the form of many styles. One of the popular ones that I'll talk about is being a YouTuber. Aside the money that YouTube pays through the Google AdSense, as what we call ad revenue, you also stand a chance to come into partnership with brands, and they're able to pay you to advertise their product for them. That is aside the money that YouTube pays you. And even taking the money that YouTube pays its content creators. I mean, it differs from content creators to content creators. But if you're really doing the content creation work and really doing it well, you're going to really make some amount of dollars for yourself. YouTube normally pays most of the content creators in the US dollar. Imagine you are in your country and you stand a chance to gain currency from different country. I mean, that's a good chance for you. And personally, I know a couple of YouTubers that are making millions of dollars on the YouTube platform. I'm a Ghanaian. I know a couple of Ghanaians that are making a huge amount of money on the YouTube platform. Taking people like Ojo Sheldon, he makes thousands of dollars on the YouTube platform. People like Wedemaya are making $30,000 to $40,000 per month. People are really making money on the YouTube platform. That is if only you're going to take it serious. Not only on YouTube, TikTok, you have a couple of people that are really making money on the TikTok platform. And somebody like Asantua is a testimonial. Even though in African domains, TikTok does not directly pay its content creators, but then he's had a chance to go live. And if you have a dedicated following or if you have the right audience, he's had a chance to be gifted. And these gifts can be converted into monetary compensations and you make some amount of money for yourself. One of the greatest ways that the TikTokers make money is brand partnership. By the power of social media influencing, they are able to influence people and then to sell products to people. I mean, you can be in an agreement with corporate and make some amount of money for yourself. Through brand partnership, people are really making a lot of money. Platforms like Facebook, people are still looking for ways to monetize their content. One interesting thing about content creation is that it gives you the chance to become your own boss. So you become your own editor, your own scripter, your own producer, everything. Through the process, you're able to get some skills for yourself. And if you're able to develop it well, you become an amazing person. The next thing to talk about with respect to side hustles is to engage yourself in blogging. A lot of people confuse themselves with being a blogger and being a vlogger. A vlogger is somebody who normally documents these record places. They can talk about things that they do. Bloggers more often are people that write articles for us to read. So if you really have a passion or expertise in a particular niche, you need to consider starting a blog. You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and even through affiliate marketing. I remember I once started blogging with Oprah News, but unfortunately, I think I published one article which was against their rules and they had to terminate my account or something like that. Yeah, one of the best ways you can create a side hustle for yourself is through blogging. I know a couple of people that are making some amount of money through blogging. Zion Felix is one of them. I'm your Dabra. And if you engage yourself into it, you also make some cool amount of money for yourself. The next thing to talk about is by being a freelancer. And if you really have skills in writing or maybe graphic design, web development, or any other marketable skill, anything that can help you to offer value to people, then freelancing is for you. What I mean is that if I'm a graphic designer or I'm a writer or let me say I'm even a transcriber, I can make myself available on freelancing websites and people who will need my services will come to the website, we interact, they give me the job, I do the job, and then they pay me. And people are in their offices, people are in their homes. I mean, you can even be at your kitchen and be making millions of dollars for yourself through freelancing. What are some of the freelance websites that you can get yourself there? If you know about Upwork, one of the platforms that brings freelancers and then people that want freelancing work. One of the popular freelance websites is also Fiverr. Fiverr is just like Upwork, and there are a couple of websites as well. Basically, these websites gives chance or they allow you to offer your services to a global audience. What I mean, they can be in Ghana, you can be in Nigeria, South Africa, you can be in the USA, UK, whatever place or whatever country you can be and be working for people globally. Last to talk about is online tutoring. If you really have the academic capacity and you can offer service to people, online tutoring is one of the things that will really help you, whatever the course may be, and you feel like you can teach people or you can even be helping people with things that they really don't understand. Platforms like tutor.com or VIPKid really connect tutors with students around the world. So it means that we have people that will need your services and you will come and provide those services and make some amount of money for yourself. You want somebody to pay you for doing something. The question is, what can you offer to the person in return? And so there you have it. My name is Shimana Clever. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Do me a favor by liking and then yes, be part of the Success with Clever family, and I'll see you in my next video.